Alright, this is not supposed to be happening yet. The Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't even officially out. And somehow, camera samples are already floating around the internet. Not blurry leaks, not potato quality shots, actual retail unit photos. And yes, they're being compared directly to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So here's what's going on. On paper, the Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't doing anything dramatic. Same rear camera sensors as the Galaxy S25 Ultra. No crazy new megapixel jump, no world's first headline. But here's the twist. Samsung is reportedly giving the main wide camera and the periscope telephoto a larger aperture. Now, if that sounds small, it's not. A larger aperture means more light. More light means brighter photos. And brighter photos usually mean better low-light performance without cranking ISO into oblivion. And now we've got actual images to look at. Indian creator Sahil Karul somehow got early access to a retail Galaxy S26 Ultra 2 full days before launch and started posting camera samples. Absolute chaos. The first few shots are pretty standard test subjects. Vegetables, flowers, a portrait. The images look sharp, colorful, nicely exposed. But here's the thing, they don't scream new generation. If you just saw them on your feed, you probably wouldn't instantly know they're from the S26 Ultra. But then comes the interesting part. There's one comparison shot taken side by side with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Same scene, same lighting, and the S26 Ultra image looks noticeably brighter and slightly sharper. Shadows are lifted. The subject pops more. It just looks cleaner. Now, before we get carried away, either this does not automatically mean the S26 Ultra has better cameras overall. One brighter image doesn't rewrite physics. Exposure can vary. Processing can differ. Lighting conditions can shift slightly. But it does suggest that the aperture tweak might actually be doing something meaningful in real-world conditions. And honestly, that's kind of refreshing. Because instead of chasing insane 200 megapixels to 300 megapixels jumps or slapping on gimmicky sensors, Samsung might be refining what already works. Same hardware foundation, better light intake, smarter tuning. If that's the direction, I'm interested. The real test, though, is going to be full comparisons. Night mode, zoom, portraits, video, dynamic range. That's where we'll see if this is a subtle improvement or a genuine step forward. And with a launch literally days away, we won't have to wait long. So now I'm curious, if the Galaxy S26 Ultra ends up delivering slightly brighter, cleaner images without changing the sensors, is that enough of an upgrade for you? Or are you waiting for a bigger leap? Let me know what you think, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.